Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. There we go, nice and solid. And since this is MDF, there's some concern that it might expand and contract with humidity. But MDF is one of those things that doesn't move much. It may move a little, but it doesn't move much. So these two braces are going to be more than enough to add some additional bond area for these two things to become attached to each other. And putting the glue along the back edge there, this front edge is trapped in those corners, but if I push down on the center, I can basically fold this up like that and pop the center out of that notch back there. Once I do that, then it allows the bottom panel to bend and come loose. It doesn't come out of the corners, but it does come out of the middle and drops down, and then it starts rubbing on that, and the whole thing just goes right to pieces. This is done now, and it'll hold that little thing, and it won't come back there and get caught in the back of the drawer, and it should work for a good long time. It only takes a few minutes to fix things, and then you've got something back useful again that's been broken for quite a while. And once I'm aware of it, I always want to take care of it as soon as I can, because jobs just tend to pile up on you. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.